Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nidhi Gandhi. For the ones who are new over here and for the ones who have been following me, I love you guys. I would really appreciate if you take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you'll be the first one to watch it. Today's video is all about top 5 jeans in my opinion. Well, they're so versatile and can be paired down with almost everything, be it top, be it shirt, be it t-shirt, be it any kind of crop top, stylish top, whatever you say, they can be paired down with everything. Also, they can be paired with kurtas. If you are someone who loves to wear Indian outfits a lot, well, this video is also for you as well. Let me know if you are more of a pant person who does not like to wear jeans often. I would love to make a video on top 5 pants as well. Without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. Let's focus on a few terms that you're going to hear during this video, and you must have read these words while purchasing online or even in stores. First one being the rise. Well, there are 3 types of high rise, mid rise and low rise. High rise jeans are designed with the longest distance from your waistband to the crotch seam. They measure for about more than 13 inches. Mid rise being measured above 10 inches I would say, and low rise above 7 to 8 inches. I don't prefer low rise as much. I guess I have one low rise jeans, I think so, and most of them are high rise because high rise jeans are so versatile that most of your part can be tucked in inside the jeans and they cover your ankle, which is a great thing. Next up is wash. Well, you must have heard about light wash, dark wash and medium wash. What is this? So light wash is a color which is a light blue faded color. Medium wash comes between light blue and dark wash comes under very dark denim wash jeans. Well, I have 2 of them, which is the light blue and a dark blue, which is light wash and dark wash. I'm going to speak about that later while speaking about the jeans itself, so you have to watch this video. Next up is buy online or offline. Speaking of which, I prefer to buy offline, especially for jeans, because I like my jeans to be completely shaped and tailored. I don't like a little here and there when it comes to jeans. Now, it completely depends on what do you like. If you're someone who does not like to go to the stores and spend 2 hours and take just one jeans, then go for online, and if it fits your body, then it's great. Well, that's it for the terms, and let's just dive into the video. First one being a blue skinny jeans. Well, I'm not talking about those uncomfortable skinny jeans where you cannot sit down or even move. I'm talking about some good fabric skinny jeans. This one is extremely stretchable. These kind of jeans that I'm talking about to invest in for a skinny jeans. Well, I prefer my skinny jeans to be ankle length, or I would say a bit above that. That makes you look very tailored. But it can be well worn for any outing with friends or if you're going for shopping, etc. This one's from Vero Moda and it's slightly on the pricier side, I agree. But I'm going to link this one as well as a few alternatives for you guys for whatever fits in your budget. Well, I would say skinny jeans makes you look a little taller. So for a shorter side of a height, go for this one. Next up is a black jeans. Now, black jeans are so versatile and it can be paired with every color that you have, and they are so amazing that can be paired down with almost everything that you have in your wardrobe. I would say if it's a must-have video, then black jeans should be more of a plain black jeans. It could be high-rise. I often like to wear crop tops a lot, and that is the reason most of my jeans are high-rise, or I would say high-waisted. This one is also high-waisted. It's a ripped one. I am not showing you the plain jeans. I have that, but washing machine mein hai abhi, so I cannot show it to you guys. But yeah, this type of jeans, well, I'm going to show it to you guys about the waist I'm talking about. Well, this one is such a high waisted. Well, this is what I'm talking about, as you can see. So yeah, invest in such type of black jeans. Well, I would say you can go for any kind of black jeans. If you want mom jeans, that's fine. Baggy jeans, fine. Dad jeans, boyfriend jeans, whatever you want, that's fine, instead of getting any ripped or distressed jeans. Well, I got this one from a mall, but I'm going to link a few of the alternatives, and I'm going to link a few type of plain black jeans which suits your body type. I'm going to mention all of them in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. Next up is a mom jeans. Honestly, when I heard about these terms such as mom jeans, boyfriend jeans, etc., it sounds so funny to me because in my head I was like, who even invented these words? But I would say at the moment I'm not completely clueless about them, and I've got one of them which is a mom jeans, and you won't believe this, but it has made it to my favorites. Well, speaking of a mom jeans, I've got this one from Zara, and this is the light washed or faded blue color, and this one's so amazing. This is what I was speaking about in the beginning of this video. They are super comfortable. They are paired down with almost everything, and I Genuinely love this jeans a lot. You would see so many pictures in my Instagram. Well, if you don't follow me on my Instagram, I would link my handle right over here so you can follow me over there. You would see so many pictures with this jeans because, as I said, I love this one. Mom jeans are designed tighter from your waistband till the thigh area, and they kind of loosen up right after that till the end of your ankles, which makes you look very tailored as well. And I got this one from Zara, but I'm gonna find a few alternatives to this one and link it down for you guys. Next up is a white jeans. Now, speaking of a white jeans, believe me, white jeans are such a hunt. To get a right fabric, or I would say to get a good fitted white jeans, is really a big deal. But I think my hunt is over. I have got this one from Zara. It's a wide leg white jeans. Wide leg jeans are more tighter from your waistband till the thigh area, and they kind of loosen up or becomes a straight fit after that till the end of your ankles. And it's a different it's different from your mom jeans. Basically, if you see this area of wideness, it's like too much if compared to a mom jeans. So that's the difference between mom jeans and wide leg jeans. They are way wider. Also, if you're a person who likes to wear kurtis a lot, or who goes to office on an everyday basis and loves to wear kurti, I feel this one will act great for plazo. I know it won't give you the same feeling as plazo, but they're really comfortable. They are not that kind of a jeans will really which gets stick to your thighs. They are really great. Just keep in mind to wear something fitted, or a fitted crop top right above a wide leg jeans to balance the whole look. Now, if you're going to purchase any kind of white jeans, just make sure the fabric should be good enough. It should not be see-through, and also it should be thick enough. This one's from Zara again. Well, they have the best fabric, I feel, and they fit me so well. Just in case if you're wondering, I also reach out to local markets or any local mall or any local brands as well. There's no such thing that I would only get from brands as well. So if you're wondering, I get it from everywhere possible. But yeah, I try to invest a good amount while buying jeans. Next up is a grey jeans, or I would say a basic grey jeans. Well, this is not a must have, but I believe that it should be in your closet once in a while. Well, this one works great if you are someone who goes for work on an everyday basis, like goes for work outside for an everyday basis, and you know, you don't have certain tops or certain jeans to pair it up with. So I believe this one works great at that time, and this is a great combination if paired up with black short, black top. Also, this is a very basic jeans, so I would say if you want to really invest, then it's great. If you don't want to invest, then it's also as well great. You can also invest in a distressed jeans if you're someone who likes to wear funky, or who loves to wear, you know, those ripped jeans. They are also great. Also, this one's from Hanar. It's a basic brand from Myntra, but it has been great. I have this one from almost 2 to 3 years, and it is going great. Like, the wash even has not been faded, which is a great deal. So yeah, I think Myntra has a very good amount of jeans. They have a variety of jeans. Also, there are few more type of jeans that I want to mention about. Is a baggy jeans, is a distressed jeans, ripped jeans. These are not must have, but if you're searching for types, then these are as well. This is it for my today's video. I hope you guys find it a little helpful or informative in any way possible, and if you did, do not forget to leave this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so every time I upload a video you will be notified. I shall see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.